You like the humidifier blowing all over you? Huh? Come here and get your toys. Someone's a good crawler now. Hi. Good job, Pumpkin. Good job, Buckin. That's a humidifier. Looks kind of neato, doesn't it? Hi. Okay, come back to see me now. Come back here to see me. Okay? Come here, Pumpkin. Why do you make that noise? It's Goofy. Come here. Yeah, Crawly McCrawlston. Yeah, who's got it down? Yeah. You want to touch the steam? That's cute. That's to help you not be so congested at night. Good job, Punky. Now you have to watch. Once he gets on the non-carpet, he doesn't crawl as well. No. Box? That's your box. I love cake. Patricia's 8-year-old son gave him this Bob the Builder plate because he's too big for the plate, so he thought Lincoln could use it. Hi. Hello. Coming to see me? Coming to see me? Yeah. Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi, Grammys. Hi, great Grammys. Grandpas. Hey. Okay, today's December 16th at 12:24 p.m. Okay, let's say bye-bye. Bye-bye.